Late last night, I watched the Tyson Chicken and Drapers fight on Netflix.
Mama, you don't know them name of Jake Paul and Mike Tyson, mama.
Paul, some of them know them name, man. Yes, Jake Paul and Mike Tyson. So that me say? Yes, but Paul, me not understand why that Jake Paul want fight Mike Tyson and Mike Tyson is a senior citizen. 58 years old and you're 27 years old want to come fight the old man? I tell you one thing, him should have fight. What other big boxer name again? Clearweather. You see if I did Clearweather would have knock him out, That's why Jake Paul did afraid for fight him.
Mama, Mayweather.
Yes, Mayweather. Paul, so now that I just say a while ago, I mean I understand why Mike Tyson just a bite him gloves like that. Every minute me look, see him, nin. Like him hungry or something like that.